Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop, and welcome to Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP issue number 57. Yes, and this is from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, head over to this link. There's a clickable version below. And take out a subscription for this iconic die-cast model, folks. You will not be disappointed. Let's have a quick scoop through the magazine there. This is History of ROBOCOP. Johnny Rehab there, the cartoon that was on at the time in the movie. This is what we've got. We got some waist and base bits, yes. Got some waist sections there, so you're going to need your legs assembly that we've been building up. So you're going to need to grab that. I've got mine just there. You can see Robo-Toe, see him? So you're going to need that. Nice concise instructions to follow there. Shows you what you're going to be doing there. You'll need the assembly of the middle waist section from issue 53 because we're joining that in. Then we've got another closing plate, and then we've got the little clips for the end of the base. I thought we had clips to come. And then obviously you've got the post of postness there that we'll be putting together in anticipation of standing this up, folks. Okay. We've then got the hands, a bionic hand. Yeah, this is technology that is... I find this really fascinating because a friend of mine lost his lower arm in the theatre and has got a prosthetic, and I look at where this is going and I think of him and how that could help him. So hands is one of them. I mean, there's some fantastic prosthetic legs out there, don't get me wrong, but you know, to lose a hand, if they can replicate as much of that as possible, I can see that being a massive benefit. So it kind of is quite personal to me, that one. So if you're watching, Brian, yeah. This is nano films, all different technology there. They're on about putting machines in the blood vessels that go round doing all the repairs. Very Star Trek, innit? I remember Data with his nanites. So yeah, it could be a reality, folks. Unbelievable, innit? And then obviously antibacterial components and coatings and stuff. So it's technology, folks. I've said it before, I wish I could fast forward in time just to see where it's all going to end up, because I'm naturally a curious person. Let's put the instructions at the back. We'll bring in everything that we're going to be fitting together, and we'll get that all together. Right, now we've got all our bits lined up just along the back there. Now it's asking us to bring in a 57D, which is this bit. And we're going to want a CP screw on that. Okay. So we'll grab that and we'll whop a bit of oil on it. And there's a little hole for the screw to go through, but also one in there for a peg that is in ROBOCOP's waist. So let's grab that. Let's bring in the legs section, which is just here. Dun, 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 dun. Semicircle face in the front is what it's telling us. And it's this piece here that it's going on. Somewhere like so. Okay. That's in place. Now what you might find, as I did, I turned it that way and tilted it right back so I could come at an angle with the screwdriver. Worked better for me doing it that way. Right. Let's just double check that that's on properly. Semicircle towards the front. Screw through the back, right, and then we can now bring in 57C, which is this bad boy. That's going to go in somewhere like so. Up in there like that. And then we're going to bring in our front waist section. Just as check it fits correctly before proceeding. And then we want to bring this section in. Grab that like so. And then bring that in place. And then we're going to be joining that together with 4 EP screws, folks. That's the first one in. Then do the same with the other 3. Okay. So that's that done. Make sure that moves. And then we'll be putting our next closing panel in, which is over there. And then we can put this section then nice and safe to one side, folks. Okay. We now bring in our base. And we can put these little retaining clips in now that just pull this together nice and tight. That's what we want. Just like that. Same on this side. Just like that. And it just pulls that in now, like that. Simple, but effective. So that's what you're going to end up with, folks, at the end of this issue. You're going to have your waist section done, and you're going to have some more work on the base. So let's just bring that in and show you. Just gently rest that like so. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself, folks, follow this link here. All the way along there. That takes you to the Fanhome website where you can take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful RoboCop. In the meantime, if you can click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to me channel, helps me grow me channel, folks. I'm immensely grateful for it. Also, ring the bell whilst you're there. That way you'll get notified of future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.